Welcome to Mbombela Fanatics here, and I'm your host, Limpo Mugale. Mbombela Stadium is where I'm at for the Petro Premiership / Orlando Pirates vs CS Galaxy. A game as of two which has ended with a scoreline of 6-0 in favor of CS Galaxy, in favor of Orlando Pirates, prevailing by those scores. Now here I'm done.
Ijabule kuphela Petron. Ijabule kuphela.
Sure.
Ayikho into lesijabulisa ngale magoli angaka. Yakhombisa iligi sifuna yona. And we will fight up until the last day.
Sure, man.
It doesn't matter with us sharing 2 points, but we will fight. The spirit of Senzo Miwa will live on us. We will fight up until the last day. Iligi iya esportini. Ukuthi lobe nasayela selithemba bawa give up. Sizoyiwina sayithatha le league.
Sure.
We'll make sure ukuthi sayithatha le league. Up the Bucks. Yona la esportini Orlando.
Sure.
Yeah.
Awuthiyami the way bafana badlala ngayo manduni. Bafana badlala ngendlela lenhle man. Bafana bekubaleka kangakanani ukuthi 3 points wona bawuthathe namuhla. Bawuthathe ngemagoli amaningi kangaka. Ube babona babuya to draw against Siwelele. How important was it for them to get this 3 points and this number of goals? And they knowing very well ukuthi the way le league ihamba ngayo nduni. Kuyi league lengathi ithi decide ngemagoli le. Le scoreline lesi besisinda kanani usincede ukuthi nihambele phambili.
Yeah, kule scoreline kusite kakhulu because siyathi usini Sundowns these days yagijima and iyakora. So
sure.
After Mr. Machance amaningi ku game eSiwelele, we decided ukuthi we need amagoli amaningi and siyathi ukuthi i2 point abashiya ngayo ne. The only thing what ba drawer lamagoli ayosinceda ngakho bekubalekile ukuthi score even more than 10 goals besiwadinga namhlanje. Yeah.
Nduna yami ngembi kokuthi ngibekele nduna. I-performance yebafana nduna yami nangalandlela badlala ngayo bafana. Kujabulisa kanganani kubafana badlala ngendlela lenhle. Coach Azabatuwa ma-substitute la wendako starting lineup sakhe ngendlela la clinical ngayo lapho nalapho uyathi ukuthi uphuma umuntu abantu ufaka abantu ngesikhathi lesisona namhla mahopa bekangekho bengayicela ngegame bekacase Mbuthuma mara the way Mbuthuma contribute ngayo teamini kube indlela le impactful kanani nithini ku coach Azabatuwa ngale ndlela ayibambe ngayo le ndlela le
uke wathi coach nganyelanga ku Pirates asinawo ma-substitute kodwa sinama impact players. Bese expect ukuthi maybe uSkomoto yoqala le game kodwa uqala Mbuthuma kodwa namuhla Mbuthuma ukhombise ukuthi ukuthi coach umfaka ngoba amthemba. So each and everyone la contributor ku Pirates uyakhombisa ukuthi uyafuna kuba first 11. Coach always unema game plan uyayathi CS Galaxy iwiki ku ingakho namuhla bangabuka apolice basebenchini ukhona usini adlaliseni ebantu bathona acheck ngoba iCS Galaxy yathi iwiki kakhulu and lokora amagoli amaningi yini besidinga yona.
So
ngiyabonga Bhutwana.
Nduna yami le ndlela le Mvelasi bekunebhethe lamkhathini bese siyilinzele la yena emthanjela naMphomvelasi usinika bani lento sirate bani
lemtajela namuhla 10 out of 10 udlale kakhulu lemtajela vela sebongeke akhona ku dominate nakunabani lemtajela namuhla beka too offensive into lebesiyidinga bekakhona ku supply.
Thank you Nduna.